Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited for this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to fully transform into an adult. Now, there's a lot of things in life that signify that we're turning into an adult. That may be turning 16 and crashing your car for the first time, or turning 18 and being able to marry someone without your parents' permission, or turning 21 and being able to, which is not recommended because don't do drugs, kids. But I feel like the real indicator of transitioning into adulthood is finally being able to cook for yourself. And that's what we're going to be doing today. That's why we're in my beautiful kitchen. We're going to be upgrading 3 basic college meals. Let me introduce these 3 staples of college life. Top ramen, a classic. Canned soup, another classic. And Kraft mac and cheese, the most classic American and just a good one, you know? I'm showing you how to upgrade these 3 meals so that you can feel better about yourself while eating them, and so that your roommates won't think you're as much of a sad piece of trash. So let's get on with it. Now, keep in mind that I'm not here to shame any of you for eating these foods. Personally, I eat a lot of these on a weekly basis. Now, there's 2 ingredients that you need to upgrade your top ramen. You need an egg and you need some green onion. Now, the trick here is to put the egg in the boiling water before you put in the noodles. And that's because it takes around 8 minutes for you to cook a soft-boiled egg. And it takes 3 minutes to cook the noodles. And so you put the egg in for 5 minutes, and then after that 5 minutes, you put it in the noodles and cook for an additional 3 minutes, for a total of 8 minutes of cooking. At this point, I'm just waiting for the water to boil. I guess while we're waiting, we can cut the green onion. Basically, we're going to cut this green onion into tiny, tiny, tiny little rings. And if you're thinking it's too much work to go to the grocery store and buy this green onion, suck it up. And it only costs like $1.50. What you can do is you can chop all of this up, put it in a plastic bag, put it in the freezer, and you'll have green onion garnish for the rest of your life. Yeah. I wish I was faster at cutting. Like, this is so painfully slow that I'm sorry you have to witness this. I want to address something that Kylie Jenner did a while back. She put butter in her ramen. And I'm not here to say that what she did was wrong, but it's wrong. Now, you can do whatever you want. My American side of me is saying, like, oh, it might not be too bad, like, it might taste good. But my Japanese side of me is saying that it's completely sacrilegious. So today we're gonna be leaving the butter out, but feel free to try it. I heard it's not that bad, according to BuzzFeed. And now that you've finished chopping, you've got beautiful, beautiful green onion rings that you can use to garnish and flavor your ramen. So now there's 1 minute left of noodle cooking, and I'm gonna pull out the noodles early because I hate mushy noodles. I forgot to put the powder in the bowl. Now, another way to upgrade your top ramen meal is to stop using paper plates and paper bowls and to upgrade your dishware. You know, I've heard that the better your meal looks, the more delicious it's going to be. And I completely agree with that. Like, just think back onto the days when you eat off of a paper plate compared to when you eat off an actual dish. It tastes horrible. No, I'm kidding. So I'm gonna put the water in. We're gonna see the moment of truth. How well is this egg cooked? What if it was like completely raw? Y'all ready for this? Beautiful. I'm gonna put it in my dish. Presentation is key, guys. Presentation is half the work, seriously. And then you put some of that green onion in there. And, you know, depending on what you like, You can garnish with other things. You can garnish with other vegetables, spam. That's an Asian favorite, but look how, you can't see this. Gorgeous. And there you have it, guys. A beautiful bowl of what used to be top ramen, but which is now ramen straight from Japan. You guys like that sound? Okay, I'm gonna stop. All right, if you've stayed for this far into the video, then congratulations, because we are going to upgrade this American staple. The ingredients that you're going to need to upgrade this mac and cheese are garlic powder, parsley flakes, and extra cheese. This is a half-used block of cheddar cheese, and salad mix. No, I will not be putting in salad mix into the noodles, but it's gonna go on the side and it's gonna be great. Basically, the way to upgrade this dish is to make the mac and cheese as normal until you get to the cheese sauce part. That's when we're gonna add in the extra good stuff. How the heck do you open this? Why is this so hard for me? There we go. This box is wrecked. The water's boiling, so I'm going to put the noodles in there. Yeah! Now, if you really want to be efficient with your time, then while the noodles are cooking, you're going to be shredding that extra cheese. And because I'm the most efficient person that I know, I'm going to be doing that. Or you can get pre-shredded cheese and avoid the hassle of doing this, because this is kind of a pain in the butt, let me tell you. Like, I'm not trying to complain and say that this is really hard, but I haven't worked out in a while. So my arm strength is near to zero. I could probably bench max 10 pounds at this point. Okay, so the noodles have been cooking for about 8 minutes. How long does it say on here? Oh, perfect, 7 to 8 minutes. So I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna drain them. But first, I'm going to taste one of the noodles to make sure it's cooked properly. Yeah, that's cooked properly. That's overcooked. Now we're gonna make the cheese sauce. So I'm supposed to do this on the stove, but I'm just gonna start it here out on the counter so you guys can see. Do we not have butter? Are you kidding me? Okay, we're good. We have butter. It's unsalted, so it's sacrilegious, but I'm sorry. There's nothing else. Now it's funny because on the instructions here it says 1/4 cup milk and then 4 tablespoons of margarine or butter. As if people use margarine. You know what? Comment down below if you use margarine rather than butter, so that I can cyberbully you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a cyberbully, but I am genuinely interested in how many people actually use margarine on a daily basis rather than butter, because I feel like butter is just so much more superior. Am I wrong? Maybe it's the healthier option. Anyways, I'm gonna stop judging because clearly I don't have my life together. I'm gonna cut this butter into smaller pieces so that it's easier to melt. We're gonna put this beautiful orange cheese. Oh, and then here's the crucial step. Put more cheese into this. Go ham. And for extra flavor, put a tiny bit of garlic powder in there. Wow. Fantastic. Now we dump the noodles back in here. Wow, these noodles have hardened into the strainer. This is going to be difficult. I like to do the hold the pot at an angle and stir in a circular motion technique. It's pretty effective. Pretty effective. Oh. We are going to upgrade this mac and cheese even further by adding some salad mix on the side. That way you can feel great about yourself, feeling so healthy. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, and then don't forget the parsley flakes. Like, kind of boring. Wow. I know it's not in focus, but it looks great. And also parsley adds a really nice flavor. Here you have it. Your second dish done. I'm also kind of in a dilemma right now because I just had a bowl of ramen and so I'm pretty full. And I've just made an entire box of Kraft mac and cheese and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So if you want some, hit me up, send me a DM, and I'll send you some. Hey guys, what's up? I'm in a new outfit because it is the day after I filmed. It is tomorrow. Does it make sense to say it is tomorrow? Anyways, it is the day after I filmed yesterday. So today, I'm going to show you part 3. And this last part is the simplest one out of all the ones that I'm going to show you in this video. It is canned soup. And today we're using Campbell's. Today we're using tomato soup. Now I'm just going to demonstrate this for you because I don't really feel like opening up another thing of food. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour it in here and microwave it. Maybe sprinkle some parsley on top. And then to upgrade this meal, you're going to add some stuff on the side. A salad, grilled cheese, maybe some saltine crackers. That's going to upgrade this meal, bring it to a whole nother level. So that's the advice that I have for you today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!